What we see here is me taking a little bit more a step back from the problem. Doing a little more research on my TypeScript. I learned that I'm just a noob. There are base builds that I can extend. Um, Truthfully, there's no business in the outer library to have TypeScript defined anywhere. They can just extend builds like this. So um, that can go. Just can go. So I'm going to be cleaning it up majorly. So we just used, we're going to remove scripts. We're going to say we use rimwrap for this repo. We have two major workspaces or dependencies, which we pull down, edit, botch up, screw up, and then we have our libraries, which we don't screw up, and we take our time, which I'm learning that's kind of some of my issue with some of this development. So deleted jest, all that. So really all we're using is the readme. So here's the root. We have the yarn lock for all the dependencies of every library to be handled. Node modules doesn't belong here. So we're going to do a real cleanup here. Karma wasn't working for me. Son of a bitch. Alright. So that's going to shit its pants. So, yep. So what we're left is with the basic source code, my interface, the root file, and the create test. Now this test is going to try to run jest with the appropriate TypeScript configuration, and now that I know jest is going to need to have a buffer configuration more than likely, I can do that. Um, so I found a project where they take the jest node environment and they extend it to include these two things here, or the uint8 array and the array buffer. So these bad Larrys, yeah, are global. They're global object defined in JavaScript that isn't always included in certain environments. So I guess I'm going to have to reopen that. I'm going to I need to delete my node modules. Done. Bingo bango. So we're back to a fairly clean starting place. The right kind of TypeScript configuration. Too many um, dev dependencies. So what we're going to do here is I want to use Mocha. I want to use Chai. I do like them just from a conceptual standpoint. They're not a company. They're supported by many companies. Jest is Facebook, so fuck them. But Jest would work. So iffy. I can see how I can get it to work. So it's iffy. So let's see if I can get node environment for Mocha. So let's go to the tutorial here. So I do the describe stuff. I don't know what behavior-driven development is. Damn, I'm getting old. Or I'm just naive. Interesting, it's more of a agile, like. Yeah, it's beautiful. So really the truth is, I can keep it simple, stupid. Use Node, I launch my tests. If I know how to build appropriately, it will work. Now there's a lot of concepts that make this challenging if I want to use TypeScript in my tests, which I will want to for type checking. The tests themselves will need to be built, and not all that stuff is automatic, is the truth. But they're pretty dead simple at the end of the day when we're doing these crazy ass tools that do 30 things for us, but they end up making 40 more things for us to do. It's the you want a banana, but you get a gorilla holding a banana paradigm or concept. So, this sucks. So I'm going to go back to the tests. We're going to reconvert this to be mocha and chai. Can create. Damn, dude. My editor's all fucked up. I'm not doing 4 spaces. Not good. No wonder my spacing is funky. Ooh, gonna get roasted for that one. Um, so I'm kind of sick of. So a lot of my friends don't like my verbosity here in this manner. So that's not gonna do it. I think it's because I'm a gooba. So what this means is keep it simple, stupid, and just paste it in. Okay. Got it. Stop reinventing the wheel. Hmm. I see. Oh, my editor config is nasty. Going to fix that. Add that to the list. For space. I'm gonna get some water. Be right back. So, back with water. Yeah, I'll be doing a prettier configuration for this project. I think every project should be encapsulated with like what they do, what their methodology is, what their syntax style is, like all those kinds of things is not only language specific, but domain specific and people specific. So, so by karma. Kitty baby. so there's that. Down to my base requirements here. You'll note I add rim raft to both because I think it still should be there. Okay, so 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 we're gonna do TS Mocha and TS node. So that's the key. Buffer from, make error. See, these are the things that are necessary. Let's see. So I'm actually committing my work now. I realize I'm not showing that.